Welcome back. Now news from sports. Mahila Nutan High School from Madgaon got the better of city rivals Bhatikar Model High School to win the 14 Mukund Trikannad Memorial Inter-School Cricket Championship recently. Mahila Nutan won by 6 wickets at the Madgaon Cricket Club ground.
Continuously through the वर्षा without a break आम्ही ही ऑर्गनाइज केली असा अजय श्रेय जाता ही केल्या ऑर्गनाइज आमच्या क्लबान गोबरा मारगांव क्रिकेट क्लब and आमचो व्हडलो स्पॉन्सर आणि टोटल स्पॉन्सर इज दिनेश बाब क्रिकेट. This is a team game. एक आणि दोन बॅट्समॅन आणि फक्त तेंडुलकर खेळटा बाजूने एका आणि दोन बॅट्समॅनाचे जायना. It is team game. So I once more congratulate Mahila Nutan.
Batting first, Bhatikar Model posted 156 runs in 37.5 overs, with Rohit Naik making run ball 78 runs. Sanket Moraskar scored 20 runs. Suyash Prabhudesai picked up 3 wickets. Mahila Nutan chased the target in 30 overs, losing 4 wickets. Siddhant Salunke and Suyash Prabhudesai made handsome contributions with the bat. A reporter from Madgaon, Pratik Parab.
Parra Veterans beat Nuvem Veterans by a solitary goal to win the all-Goa Dr. Gustavo Monteiro Memorial Veterans Football Tournament at Candolim ground. The tournament was organised by Candolim Veterans.
Nuvem Veterans and the top veterans Parra Veterans. Put your hands together for top veterans Parra.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.